Hi, we want to make an AR that appears from a t-shirt. Okay, before that we set the grid so it's upright. Then we select the 3D object that we want to insert. We will choose Digestive System. Okay, rotate the object up to facing forward. Then we set the book in its position. Okay, the result is like this. We immediately click Custom Marker. Then we select Custom Marker and upload the design marker. Okay, this design marker will be the shirt design. Then we will try to adjust the QR position. Okay, we can adjust the position again according to the marker image. Okay, if it's suitable, we can immediately download the marker. Okay, from here we can check again starting from the position or 3D magnitude. If it is appropriate, we click Publish. Then we set the thumbnail. Then click Capture and Save Thumbnail. Then we give the project a title. We complete the project description. Then select a category. Then select Subject. Select the class. Then we fill it in again with explanation information. Click Next, then we click Publish. Okay, to share, we select the custom marker. Okay, this is a picture of the design that already has a scan marker. So we can continue printing this design to become a clothing design. This is the result, so to display AR it can be done by scanning the QR. Then scan the entire marker design. You can scan from your cell phone or tablet camera, or via the ADO Assembler application. Good luck!